Hey guys, remember this project? Yep, me guys. Today we are going to make new zombies. What? Don't know what's there, but just like that. But yeah, close into that. If you haven't watched Part 2 1, check it out because it's zombie mode. And it doesn't work. What do you think we want to do? Well, we are going to make uh, two new guns and yeah, and the two new guns. Congratulations! Um, congratulations! The two new guns. I think this should be called sniper. Sniper. Make it a bit longer, like a little thing on it. Yeah. And actually, there's gonna be one gun. Oh, looks like much of a change, right? Well, just and let's make a we are welcome to this new topic. So it's not fun. And set it to about 3.2. Okay, that's it. Okay, so tutorial, right, this part is actually going to be pretty short. So, yeah, then let's test sniper. And we've also going also what we need to do. So, do this. If equals here, to say 3.2 for contact speed. 3.2. And then that's pretty much not it for this tutorial. One, I'm going to set the minigun speed to 7. And this one to 2.5. And boom. That's pretty much not it. but this tutorial is going to be really short. Okay. 1 single whole second. Let's do 0.8. Probably a physics. 2.4 Let's first say. Let's go in my machine. Yeah. And maybe, I think we should make first assault rifle. Yeah, no, it's so flashy and yeah. Yeah, and once we add this gun, this is gonna be pretty much the end of the tutorial. So call this burst, burst AR. It's gonna go like boom boom, boom boom, boom boom. And it has a cool thing on the top. I'm gonna make this sugar. Not in that way. Yo, not in that way, bro. That is so fast. No, yeah, let's explain it now, bro. Um, yeah. So, what we're gonna do, and this is gonna be the speed bar. Yeah, 5 to 0.4 seconds. It's like a burst. There you go. That's pretty much it for this tutorial, and hope you guys have a good day. It wasn't that long because this is pretty much the next part is the final part. And it's just bye guys. And if